Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm not cooking. I'm going to do a product review of a Fray Bentos steak and kidney. So I did this before, back in 2017, and was I impressed? Slightly. I thought the filling was really nice. The pastry is just bizarre. Some people love it, I know, because they told me so in the comments on the last one. It's shatteringly crisp on the top, but really soggy underneath. Yeah, they don't call it a pie. Well, they only call it a pie in one place, here on the back, because that's not what I think of as a pie. It's a load of filling with some pastry on top. And I think a pie like this should be fully enclosed in pastry. So there. But I saw this in Tesco's the other day and noticed this on the bottom. Better meat, more of it. And on the back, this humble pie for us, which is it's quite brave of them to say this. We put our hands up, our recipe has not been up to scratch lately, so we brought back our classic steak and gravy recipe and are ready to reclaim our title as Dinner of Champions. I've never heard anybody call it a Dinner of Champions, except maybe their marketing department. I used to love these when I was a kid. They were like the pinnacle of pie-ness. And over the decades, they just seem to have got worse and worse and worse. So I'll cook this up and eat it and see if they've got better meat, more of it. On the back it says 15% beef and 10% kidney, pork kidney, which is a bit weird, as against the one in 2017, which had 12% beef and 9% kidney. So it's a little bit more. And on the back they say, use a robust can opener. Well, yeah. And they recommend Brabantia Essential line or Oxo Good Grips. Well, I haven't got either of those, but I've got this thing, and it's, you know, well, I've had it a very long time. It'll do the job. Right, so to cook it takes 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius for a conventional oven, or 180 for a fan convection oven or an air fryer. I'm using this air fryer oven, and that is gas 6. So let's get it open. Actually, I was talking tosh there. This one is rubbish. This one works. Okay, so there we go. Oh, interesting dimple, and a little mini dimple there as well. Well, I don't think the tin was damaged, so maybe it's deliberate. Anyway, when the oven has reached temperature, I'll put it in for 30 minutes, then we'll come back and now we'll scoff it. Quite extraordinary, and this is what I was talking about, the slimy, uncooked looking, soggy bottom. Hot. But tasty. It's really meaty, savoury gravy. I think it is better than the last time I had one of these. Yeah, not complaining. I got this from Tesco's, and their full price now is £3. They were £2 just a couple of months ago. To sweeten the deal, if you've got one of their loyalty cards, a club card, it's £1.50. So for £1.50, that is a very good kitchen standby pie. For £3, it's a rip-off. I don't know if anybody else makes pies like this in a can. It's a totally weird concept, but it totally works for Fray Bentos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Press like and see you next time.